What's up, guys? Today I will be showing you how to build a flag that you can wave around the Chiefs. So all you will need PBC pipe about this long, this wide, some zip ties, and a flag. This is a 2018 flag. All I'm going to be doing is you're going to take your flag, put the pole on the hole at the end. You want to be able to select form it on the side that you want it on. Then you're going to take your zip tie. You're going to run it through the hole and around the PVC pipe. Then you're going to pull it shut. You want to make sure it's in a good position, enough strength and everything's able to hold it, and pull it really tight. Make sure you have it how you want it, or you can't really redo it. So make sure you pull it really tight. Again, I'm sorry I said that again. But, and now that one's on, you're going to go all the way to the other end. You're going to do the same thing with another zip tie. Do the same thing again. But this is a little bit more challenging because you want to make sure this is all lined up correctly and not like off-centered where it won't look right. So you want to be careful with that. Make sure it zip ties on correctly. I'm making sure that all this is centered correctly. Also as tight as I want it downwards. So like I'm going to pull this really tight this way. Then I'm also going to pull my zip tie really tight to make sure my flag is going to be as nice as possible. Alright, I'm back. I grabbed these pliers that I'll use to cut the zip tie's length. You can use scissors, whatever you want to try to cut off, knife, it'll work. So I'm just going to take this and cut these off real quick. I'm going to cut it wrong. There's one. And now I'm going to cut off the other one. And there you have it.
Hey, Alice.
No flag. That was my mom, but we're back. So, if you guys would like to make one of these, just follow the simple steps that I told you and listen to everything I said about it, and there you go. Got a Chiefs Kingdom flag. Subscribe to my channel, make sure to turn on your notifications, your bell, and see you next time.